looks so beautiful, Ala. Hi, Aisha. Hi. Very good. Getting ready for the day out. Ala, how are you feeling?
Good.
Saleno nampak ba? Ana, tanda kecil-kecil harus salah. Ada nampak Aisha?
Hi.
Where is your car? Which one is your car? Which one? Which one?
Yeah.
Sini na kare. Okay. Hi. So hello everybody. This is once again Lendison and the family. Welcome back to another vlog. We have been out for a very long time, but yes, finally we are back again with a new vlog. Another Sunday, another family time. We are just moving out from home, and I hope this day also will be a fun-filled day. Requesting all of you to continue watching till the end of this video.
Thank you.
Flower pot ayo na silver na. Nanti maksud lanjut.
Flower, saya mau atau mana cakap silver. This is hard. It's hard for you. Jangan way, abi hard.
So we are here at the 7 Mile. We have seen one bakery open here, so we'll buy some stuff from the bakery. What do you want to have? 我现在来吃的，我的。Hello， 我这能不这里吃？还是个这？ Are you happy? You guys are good. Anytime, boss. पर बिटो खाली लेना जाओ ना. So we bought some stuff from the bakery and we're heading towards the 7 Mile now. We have reached the Shokhuvi village. So we are here at the Shokhuvi village. And itu the railway track Dimapur-Zubza laga ase itu jaga di puchina ase, so we'll just go and see how it is. What a view.
with little wear.
Maya.
This one.
We are here still at the Shokhuvi village. This is a nice place for the family outing.
You want this, okay? Ada push, okay?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.